Okay guys, I'm on a train right now. It's very cool. There's food over there and a lot of stuff. We just entered. I'm Harit. So we already came to the first stop. There was no signal at the starting, so we we got signal now. I'm gonna rate it how it is.
8.5 out of 10. It's good.
8.5. Wow. We're gonna about to start the second. We are at the first stop. As you can see, that exit sign over there. Yeah, that's the first stop. So, yeah, it's also very windy. As you could see, the trees are moving. Oh, it's going to start! Let's go. I'm going to show you the duck. Oh, wait, the first one. First animal on the list. A duck.
To Laura, our station master. Thanks, Laura. It's amazing how you get everybody on board safely and getting us out on
Okay.
time. To the left
Oh,
is our
is that an animal? I don't.
plantation built in
They're in a village. Oh, look over there. There's a person saying hi. Hello. 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 Whoa. Hello.
The Carroll family, they used to live there. I hope you go over there and
Oh, there's a village. It's a long house. We need to see more animals. I bet there'll be like, a millions of animals here. Not millions. Oh, wood.
standing windmill in the
They're
United
going to make a camp over here.
Our Jacket family farm
Wow.
and over Connecticut built in 1754.
It's going so fast.
Shows what colonial
And this is a real train, guys. It's not a movie theater train. I'm not telling you a movie. This is real. As you can see, this is go. There's a track. Everything is moving. Let's look like Christmas tree. What the heck?
We get a little rest and relaxation out here.
There's no animals. I think it's a sleeping time. Oh, the animals is in that cage. Guys, yeah, my camera's a little bit shaky because I'm on a train.
మీకు ఇట్లా మళ్ళీ రాడ్ సెంటర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది అది ఆ రాడ్ సెంటర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది
How does that work? Why do they need it all? There's nothing much. There's nothing to see. Guys, actually, it's actually two actually, three actually, four actually. There's a million actually in a word. Million actually in a sentence. Trillion. There's nothing. I'm gonna show you if I see animal. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna show you if I see an animal. Puppies. My senses there'll be tigers over here, but I don't see really any tigers. Oh, Smokey! Oh, more smoke. Oh, smoke! Lags. If we walk, we could go there at this place.
We have a wonderful activity coming up this coming weekend on May 16th and 17th. All aboard adventures.
Okay, if there's another animal, guys, I'll show you. I'm gonna pause the video, guys. Oh, I don't see any tigers though. I'm gonna pause the video, but I'll pause it when I see animals.
And diesel train rides on music-filled journeys sure to spark your
Guys, I see something, but that's not an animal. Oh, it's an animal. It's another dog eating food. A football place! Mom! There's a football place and more ducks! Football place and ducks!
Baseball season returns on June 13th. Our teams, the Nationals and the Latidas, will play against.
I love football, guys, as you know. I love
కొంచెం వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడే ఎక్కువ అయ్యారు
1:30 p.m.
I love football. I love football. I love all the things. I love football. I love football. It's a 500.
have over 500 students in attendance this school year. Ninth graders have classes at the museum.
Unpause. I'll pause because I have to get down.
Believe that learning to
There's a red building over there. It's a computer lab. There are some buildings. And right now it's closed, but I think we could open in like 4:30 or something. Right now I don't think it's 4:30. Oh, there's a boat. We could kayak. Amma, could we kayak? Why is the kayak so there? I know, I think we could kayak. If we fall, I'm gonna drown. I don't see any tigers until now, but oh, there is truck. I think it's about to dive in. And stay him! Stay him! Stay him! Stay him! Stay him! Guys, smells a little. Guys, it smells a little bit bad.
Railroad to the left and up the hills of Chapel that Henry Ford built in honor of his mother-in-law, Martha Bryant.
Ow,
and his
what the heck
mother,
was
Mary
that?
Ford. Since 1935, there were so many weddings performed here. We also have the Scott Sullivan Schoolhouse for ladies. We young Henry Ford attended in his early years. To visit the Logan County Courthouse from Cookeville, Illinois, built in 1840, where young Abraham Lincoln practiced. And right next door to it is our new home at Jackson from Selma, Alabama. This is where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. fellow activist planned and strategized the walk on Montgomery, Alabama back in the 1960s. And it led to the Voters' Rights Act of 1965. We are going to host a block party June 12th through June 14th.
I'll do like you said.
To the block.
Since there'll be cycles we could rent.
Come to the block.
So yeah.
We are now coming into our Smith Creek station. Remain seated.
Hope you guys could hear the person talking. I'm not going to talk anymore because you have to hear the person. I'm not going to talk in 3, 2, 1. Oh well.
Should you be boarding here, you're going to exit off to your left side. And as we pull into the station, we're going to say hello to our station master, Kelly, and to our conductor, Bob. Bob is going to be taking over for us. And should you be exiting, you're going to exit.
So guys, we are going to exit now. I bet it's stopping. Yeah, you're going to stop and you're going to exit.
It's safe to come off the train. Before you leave, make sure you have all your possessions you boarded with.
Everybody has to leave now.
And thank you for riding on the Greenfield Village Railway.
అదే 4 స్టేషన్స్ అని చెప్పింది నాకు. నువ్వు చెప్పిందా? కొద్దిగా
4 stations kada. We guys are all guys, you're confused.
ఇది లూప్ వచ్చిన ప్లేస్ వచ్చాం అనుకుంటా.
రాలేదు ఇంకా.
రాలేదు. అయితే కూర్చోండి అక్కడ కూర్చుంటున్నారు.
కొంతమంది కూర్చున్నారులే కూర్చున్నారు.
Okay guys, you're not full. Guys, by mistake, we are not getting out. Oh guys. Always smell. What the heck?
రైట్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. కార్ రైడ్ కూడా ఉంటాయని చెప్పిండి ఈరోజు. అందుకే ఇచ్చారు ఇది. 3-4 ఉంటాయి ఇది. ఏమ్మా ఇరుడాలు.
Guys, I'm going to pause and I'm going to unpause when the train starts moving. Guys, there was some noise coming. I think that's the train stopping now. Because everybody's getting down. Except a lot of people. Except a little bit. I'm going to pause again. I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause when the train stops. Hey guys, I'm stepping on this. Yeah, actually, I was sitting over here. My mom was sitting over there. I was stepping on this. Just, oh, okay, we have to stop. Start. Now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna unpause when we start. Guys, I was not showing my face for a long time. Oh wow, there's a lot of dust. Wait, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna Why am I missing? Oh wait. They connect to off cameras. 1 second, guys. I'm not gonna off it. I'm gonna pause. Okay,
While the
guys.
train is in motion.
Hear
By
that?
that we mean you don't change seats
I'm not gonna
during
talk
the
in
ride,
3,
and also
2,
you keep your
and
head, hands,
1.
and feet all inside the car.
I'm not gonna talk
When
in
you
3,
get out,
2,
heading up
1.
to Firestone
Stop.
Station,
I'm not gonna
which is
talk.
at the entry and exit area of Greenfield Village. As we leave the station here, that building on the left that says Smith Creek on the end of it was an actual train station on the Detroit to Port Huron Railroad called the Grand Trunk Railroad. There were 6 of them along that railroad, and this one was...
He told us, hey folks, hope you subscribe.
About 10 miles southwest
And
of
bye.
Port Huron. It was brought here and was one of 28 buildings. It was the first buildings in Greenfield
I'm
Village.
not talking
There
that
were
much. I don't know why.
behind it, you're going to find a...
You guys could see now why I see too.
Thomas Edison had that.
What's that? Is that moving right now?
Henry Ford
Tree, get out of the way, Tim. What is that? Is that moving or is that moving? That's off.
The building, the big building on the left there is a roundhouse. It was part of the Detroit.
Oh!
That's where we maintain all of our coal-fired steam engines. We have 3 of them that are working. And we also do maintenance on all the other equipment. There's presenters inside who can tell you all about it. Those pine trees actually block your view of Liberty Craft Works, another district here in Greenfield Village. That includes glass blowing, print shop, weaving, and a pottery shop.
Pottery? I want the pottery. I want to go pottery. It's a stop sign.
As we go around this corner, we'll be entering our largest working farm. That's Firestone Farm, brought here from Columbiana County, Ohio. It is the birthplace of John O'Hara, Harvey Firestone of the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company.
A party?
In that farmhouse,
Yeah, what the heck is that?
a meal every day for the farm workers.
Long grass. Long grass. I think that's a farm. That's such a long
Take a
grass.
walk up to the barn because we have lambs that were born this past week.
If we lawn with that barn, we're gonna get a lot of
Firestone
grass.
Station, as I said, in the entry exit area of the village. We thank you for coming to join us here at
Duckies.
Greenfield Village today, and if you're leaving, we hope you have safe
As
travel
we're
home.
12
If you're
minutes
gonna
into the
stay
video,
on the train,
look at it.
also, if you don't, we hope you've got
Yeah,
a
guys, my
great
camera's
rest of
looking
your day,
because I'm on a
wherever it might be.
train. Understand?
Please remain safely and properly seated until you hear the whistle blow. The engineer will stop the train, set the brake, then blow
Hey,
the
guys,
whistle. That will be when
the
it's
train
safe for you to
part is
stand
done.
and move toward the right.
I'm gonna do a
side.
part
Off the
2.
car on the right.
I'm gonna do a part 2. Peace out.